Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off save on capture on your photos and media settings on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First click on these three lines here and now click settings. Now here you will find photos and media, click on it, and now you will find here save on capture. Just click like this and it will be turned off. That's how to turn off save on capture on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.